My name is Anna Welch and I show how to cook gluten-free, healthy, delicious foods. And today I will show you how to make my basic baked chicken breast. This is my go-to recipe. This chicken is so versatile. I eat it hot and cold. I serve it for dinners with a nice side dish. I add it to my salads like Caesar salad. I make meal salads with it, like my green chicken salad. I add it to my pastas. I make sandwiches with it, or I just simply snack on it with sliced fruits and vegetables. But most of all, I use it in other recipes where cooked chicken is required. And that gives me a great peace of mind knowing exactly what I put in my food. Let me show you how simple it is to make. I will be baking 2 chicken breasts today, and this is what I will need: olive oil, salt, black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of powdered onion or a good pinch, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, 1.5 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning on hand, I will show you in the process how to blend your own. We will start with preheating oven to 400 degrees. We will start with rinsing our chicken under cold water and patting it dry. We'll grease our pan with the olive oil, and we will rub our chicken with olive oil as well. Now it's time to season. We will salt it generously, and we will black pepper it. Now we will prepare our seasoning blend. So on a regular occasion, I would use these 3 spices and I would mix them together. I would take my onion, 1/8. I will use a 1/4 teaspoon measuring, and I will fill up only half. And I will take my celery and crush it first, and it's 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds. And I would take the 1.5 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1, 2, 3, and I would mix it all very, very well. And I would sprinkle my chicken with this mix. But I will show you what to do if you don't have Italian seasoning on hand. We'll mix our own blend. Basic Italian seasoning blend consists of 6 spices, and people use different proportions of it, but you also can do equal amounts of each spice. For my Italian blend, I will use 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of marjoram, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, and I will crush it because my rosemary is coarse, and only 1/2 of 1/4 teaspoon of sage. And we will add into our mix onion and celery. I will also crush my celery seeds. And we'll sprinkle generously our chicken with the created mix of spices and herbs. And that's it. We will cover our pan with the foil very tightly. And we will bake our chicken for 20 minutes. Chicken breast is considered the best cut of a chicken. It has 30% less calories, 20% more protein, and 12 times less fat than any other part of a chicken of the same weight. It just might be an ultimate healthy choice for many people. Let's check if our chicken is ready. Our chicken has to reach temperature of 165 degrees. We'll stick it to the thickest part of a chicken halfway through. This one is 172, it's definitely ready. Looks like the temperature varies, but it's definitely greater than 165 degrees. We'll transfer our chicken to the board and let it rest for a few minutes, because it's always good for any kind of meat to rest, not to spill the juices and absorb all the flavors. We do know our chicken is fully cooked. Thermometer said so. We're gonna slice and try one breast, how it tastes, and I will slice it right in the middle. Well, the color looks beautiful and it's full of juices, which is a very good sign. Let's take a bite, shall we? Oh, wow! It is amazingly juicy, very, very soft, and it has wonderful flavors, and they're subtle enough, but at the same time, they complement chicken so well. Oh, it's so good. Turned out really good. When you need a quick dinner recipe for meat, or you need a cooked chicken for another recipe, try to make this chicken with me. It might become your go-to recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself and stay healthy. I'll see you next time. Bye! Is it good?
Yes, it is. It's very good.
Juicy, huh?
It is. It's juicy. It's not dry. It's tender. And I love these flavors.
Perfect.
Yep.
Well,
dry herbs.
Yep. Dry
Yep.
herbs.
Yeah, very good.
All right.
I'll have a piece with the apple and the chicken together. So I'm not going to be able to speak because I'm going to have a mouthful of this.
Enjoy.